What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you every way on how to earn YouTube badges. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave a link to that in the description below. So let's get started. Now, YouTube recently released a new feature called YouTube badges, which you can earn from creators. Now, at the moment there are only 5 YouTube badges available, but in the future the number will probably grow. So this is how you get or earn YouTube badges. Now, if we take a look at the first badge, you can earn it by answering quiz questions correctly on YouTube. And this is exactly how this badge looks. Personally, this is the only badge I currently have. Now let's move over to the second badge. So the second badge you can earn by having a select set of creator hearts on your comments. So essentially what you need to do to earn this badge is just having a creator heart your comment. And this is how that badge looks like. Now the third badge of 5 is earned by being one of the first set of people to join a creator channel membership program. And this is exactly how that badge looks. So this is the only example of this badge that I could find on the whole internet. Now the way that you earn the next badge is by completing a course on YouTube by watching all the video lessons in that course. For this badge I couldn't really find any examples, so we currently don't know how it looks like. Now the fifth and last badge on this list is earned by being a top listener of an artist on YouTube. Now this badge is pretty common. I would say it's the second most common badge right after the quiz badge. Now this is how that top listeners badge looks like. So at the moment those are all the 5 badges that YouTube released and all the ways that you can earn each one of those YouTube badges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.